I think the evidence is mounting up. There are studies coming out almost every week which shows that the mRNA vaccine was deadly. And that's got to have a big weight because here we've got an infection, COVID, that got going, came out of a biolab, and now more and more evidence, which is really basically debunking any claim that the vaccine saved any life. So that's a kind of a background. And then in America, of course, the whole dialogue has shifted. They're cutting off funding for government funding for mRNA vaccines. Companies are going under. And there's a fight on. The big companies, biotech, pharmaceutical companies are spending money, putting articles in the press, trying to say that mRNA vaccines are the best thing since white bread. And
Yeah.
clearly they're not.
I'm seeing even pieces in the media here
Yeah.
reporting potential breakthroughs. No one should ever forget that what we're talking about here was a gene technology product fundamentally. And if that's not an example of what could possibly go wrong, then what do you need to hit someone with? That's the thing.
This was their flagship. This was their reinvention. You look at the articles just before the pandemic, there were articles saying, well, a lot has gone wrong, but now they've got it right. They've got this mRNA technology, and this is all going to be hunky dory. So that didn't happen. And that is really having an effect. There's a big company, Arena Bioworks. It was formed in 2024, January, with 500 million US dollars of funding and big fanfare. And in March, it laid off 10% of its staff. And 2 days ago, it laid off a further 30% of its staff. And the thing that they're stopping is the gene therapy, cell therapy, mRNA, and so on, because there are big problems with this technology. And we have to realize that why are we plunging into this in New Zealand, plunging into deregulation?